Friends, have you ever stopped to look at a simple coin in your pocket and wondered about the incredible technology, engineering, and security hidden within its small frame? Today, we are taking you behind the scenes to a place where one of the world's most advanced and difficult to forge coins is born, the new Japanese 500 yen coin. We are currently at the Hiroshima branch of the Japan Mint, where heavy machinery and high-level security define every square inch of the facility. Our story begins in the massive warehouse, where skilled forklift operators move with precision, transporting giant blocks of nickel and copper, known as ingots, toward the processing area. While these might look like mere chunks of metal to the untrained eye, their purity and quality are held to the strictest Japanese industrial standards. The forklift carefully lifts these wrapped metal ingots, navigating through the narrow aisles of the warehouse in a dance of industrial logistics. It is a sight to behold, a facility where every movement is timed and every process is deliberate.
Starting with this stack, purity is
These blocks are
999.
placed onto a
Confirmed.
conveyor
Moving to
system
the next batch.
that
Data
leads
synced, all
directly
clear.
to the massive electric melting furnaces. The atmosphere here is intense, with temperatures soaring to 1200 degrees Celsius, hot enough to turn solid metal into a glowing liquid alloy. The true magic of this specific coin lies in its tri-layer clad structure, meaning it is composed of three distinct layers fused together. In the first furnace, a mixture of nickel, copper and zinc is melted to create the outer nickel brasses layer, while a separate furnace prepares the copper-nickel alloy for the inner core. Technicians monitor the molten metal, constantly using spectrometers, ensuring the chemical ratios are perfect down to the last decimal, because at the Japan Mint, quality is everything. Once the liquid metal is ready, it is poured into casting machines to form long, thick ingots, which are then allowed to cool, forming a strong and durable grain structure. The next stage is hot rolling, where massive steel rollers compress these glowing blocks repeatedly to reduce their thickness. Infrared sensors monitor the temperature every second, because even a slight drop could cause the metal to crack. Once the sheets reach a certain thinness, we arrive at the most critical phase, cladding. In this process, the outer layers and the inner core are bonded together under such immense pressure and heat that they become a single, inseparable piece of metal. This bond is verified using ultrasonic testing to ensure there are no microscopic gaps. These bonded sheets then head to the cold rolling mill, where they are precision pressed to an exact thickness of 1.8 millimeters. Laser micrometers ensure that there isn't a deviation of even a single micron across the entire sheet. Once these polished sheets are ready, they are wound into massive coils and sent to the blanking section. Here, a high-speed press punches out hundreds of circular discs per minute, known as blanks, each exactly 26.5 millimeters in diameter. The leftover metal scrap isn't wasted, it is collected and sent back to be remelted for future use. These blanks are then softened in an annealing furnace so that the final design can be stamped clearly. Following this, they undergo a chemical pickling bath and a multi-stage water rinse to remove any oxidation or dirt, leaving them brilliantly clean. Next comes the rimming process, where the edges of the blanks are slightly compressed to raise a soft rim. This rim is vital as it protects the final coin design from wearing down during years of circulation. A quality control team examines samples under high magnification, and once approved, the final coining or striking begins. With over 200 tons of force, the hardened steel dies strike the blanks, instantly bringing the Polonia motif, the number 500, and the intricate Japanese characters to life. Simultaneously, microlettering is applied to the edges, a sophisticated feature that makes counterfeiting nearly impossible. The finished coins then move through an automated optical inspection system where high-speed cameras check every single coin for design depth and centering. Only those that weigh exactly 7.1 grams make the cut. They also undergo electromagnetic signature testing, ensuring that every vending machine in the world can instantly distinguish a real coin from a fake. Any coin that fails even one of these tests is automatically rejected. The perfect coins are then counted, rolled into batches of 50 and wrapped in secure paper bands. These rolls are bundled, labelled with barcodes for traceability, and moved by forklifts into high-security vaults. Finally, under the watchful eyes of armed guards, they are loaded into Bank of Japan trucks to be distributed across the country. So, the next time you hold a 500 yen coin, remember the incredible journey of engineering and dedication it took to get into your hand.